everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's episode of Vlogtober, I'm just going to show you guys my typical cleaning routine. Now, I don't do this stuff every day. I would probably say I do it once or twice a week, but I figured it was a routine that you guys may want to see, and I will be sharing with you guys all the products that I use and just giving you guys a quick rundown as to what I do. I didn't show me making my bed or vacuuming the carpets or anything though, because those are things I pretty much do on a daily basis and just didn't feel the need to show you guys. But I did go ahead and show you guys the main things I do. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I get into my actual routine, I figured I would go ahead and show you all the products that I use, which I keep in this small Sterilite crate I found at Target. For surface cleaning, I use the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in Clementine and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. For carpet cleaning, I use the Bissell Pet Stain and Odor Cleaner for the Pet Spotbot, along with the Bissell Pet Oxy Boost and the Bissell Spot and Stain Pet Foam for tougher stains. Lastly, to freshen the air, I use the Febreze One Fabric and Air Mist in Mandarin, the Glade Solids in Lemon, and the Bath & Body Works Wallflower plugins in various scents. To start off my cleaning routine, the first thing I do is empty out my essential oil diffuser, put fresh water in it, add a few drops of essential oil to it, and turn it on. The diffuser I use is from doTERRA, and I am using the lavender essential oil from doTERRA as well. I also wanted to show you what it looks like in the dark because I find it very soothing, and I use it like this every night when I'm going to bed. I also have to replace the scent bulbs in my wallflowers every few weeks, so right here you can see I am just switching out the scents. Specifically, I am switching from Apple Orchard to Golden Jasmine because I currently don't have any more fall scents to use. Then when it comes to the actual cleaning part, I like to start off with cleaning off surfaces such as my desk, which you can see is clearly a disaster. All I do is take everything that is scattered across the top of my desk and return it back to its appropriate place. I also like to wipe it down with a multi-surface cleaner, and the one I've been using lately, like I said in the beginning, is the Method One and is in the scent Clementine. For this, I just spritz the surface of my desk and wipe it all down with a paper towel. Moving on, for any random wall stains, I like to take one of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and try to get them off. These work great on almost any surface, but I have found they work the best on walls. And then, of course, I usually have to spot clean my carpets because, as many of you guys know, I do have 3 cats, and with cats come hairball stains. And a while back, we got the Bissell Spotbot Pet, which probably was one of our best purchases ever. And no, this is not sponsored by Bissell in any way. I totally wish they would sponsor me though. In the beginning, I mentioned all the products that I use with the Spotbot, so if you are curious, you can either check the description or rewatch the beginning of the video. And one of my favorite things about this Spotbot is that you can turn it on and walk away from it, and it will do all the cleaning for you. The last thing I like to do is freshen up my room with the Febreze One spray, and also like to open up a new Glade Solid Air Freshener, and usually put this in the corner of my room over by the cat box just to freshen things up. So that is just my current cleaning routine for once or twice a week. Every 2 weeks pretty much is when I do like my deep cleaning. And I did want to mention that I'm not being sponsored by any of the companies that I featured in this video. These are just the products that I use. I wish they would sponsor me for some videos, but they don't. These are just products that I use and like. None of them were sent to me. They were all purchased with my own money. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what your favorite cleaning product is, and maybe I will try it out. And if I like it enough, maybe I will feature it in a future video. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Throughout the month of October, I am uploading new videos every weekday and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Paca squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!